iconic.
You want smoke, grab a hot and cold stove. Me take a puff or two end up in the ocean. That's me, I coulda grab baby killer old folks. Sprinkle little fire vibes, pan it, some don't joke. Born in a riches, man I grow up more. Drop the Addi top and put your fat in your shots, it pop the mesh. Me give you money, cause you good on the head. Best fuck you ever get, and that she say. You like that, baby? Looking at the camera gun.
Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
1 in a million.
Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
Boom, you don't know, say One Nation and I'm our nation. Man, I'm niggas more, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bells up again. Grow the fam. You understand? No bag of long talking. When you see the glasses and the robe, you don't know what time it is. Music review. And what do we have today? Ladies and gentlemen, G's, the one and only Likkle Addi and him father, Vybz Kartel, the king, with a banger called It a Tape. And because I've been away for so long, I catch up me a play, see me? So we're going to double up. We're going to do It a Tape, that drop a little while now, you understand? But me want some just tell some did ban. We're there in our place now. And then we're going to do Likkle Addi, brand new track we just dropped. We name right Desso. Because we want to put it right Desso. You understand what I say? So the first one now, It a Tape. Vybz Kartel and Likkle Addi. Let's go!
World boss, Addi teacher. One weed bowl of vibes and the vibes like 6. Haveli give me a light. Hold on, it a tape. Gas and no rape. All the girls see me and she can't hold her head straight. The younger man will go wild and escape. And go thing left him, it don't know what make a sex tape.
Hold on. First of all, them gal are bad. You understand what I'm saying? Especially the dark skin one. You see me, that one look nice, you know, she nice, you know. But you see the dark skin, ooh. I must behave myself. But anyway, what the man said a while ago, Uncle man forgot hell and escape. You understand what I say? If you never know him referred to as hell, that's the Jamaican prison. You understand what I say? And I would consider any prison hell, but you know, the conditions in Jamaica make it really different. You understand? So even though the dog, their hell, God stays and drag him out of the darkness and say, be great. I want him to you. Use your love on your feet. Let's go!
The younger man will go wild and escape. And go thing left him, it don't know what make a sex tape. But me believe in a God so much. If me can't have gas, me still a rev it with faith.
Telling about faith a while ago. Me believe in a God so much. If me can't have gas, me still a rev it with faith. You understand what I say? Because Christians, what them say? We move by faith, not by sight. So even though things look dark, things look like it now going to improve, we're stuck in our quagmire, we're stagnant, we still have to press on like what Kartel say. If me can't have gas, me still a rev it with faith. Woo! Let's go!
Red straight. The younger man will go wild and escape. And go thing left him, it don't know what make a sex tape. But me believe in a God so much. If me can't have gas, me still a rev it with faith. Man hungry, you coulda seen me rib stage. Now me out in the world, I shell every big stage. Roll up the weed, me case. Grab a stink like it even beard. Have a big body down.
I read her in grab the G bun. The man said grab a stink like it even beard. Say you know the grab a kick. Bro, it's I'm telling you something, bro. You can't just say, you grab a hat. Will that make the song hot? No. You have to get descriptive. Grab a stink like it even be it. So you don't know, so that grab a they are kicking a man. Wow.
Roll up the weed, me case. Grab a stink like it even beard. Have a big body brown in a she me brace. Body big and me a cup and me a feel the bass. In a me one league never feel furious. No. But the G-Wagon never set a speedy pace. Hey, poverty a crime but me beat the case. Bad dip on me side, guap it on me waist.
Yeah.
Me a go and if you know say me nah stop.
Hold on there. Me no mean for a pass, but I just want to say, see, how the G bring in the chorus. Right. Energy a kick everything up. Dog a keep on pace with him father. Same energy. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, I like that.
Me a go and if you know say me nah stop.
No.
When me a go feel what me want. Only put my trust in the Father.
So, the father praise God and the son praise God. Kartel do a damn good job. Yeah, man, that me a talk about, man. Cause I don't know so enough of them celebrity kids are weird, bro. Where you see, the G them up on one accord and then under them a drive. Let's go!
When me a go feel what me want. Only put my trust in the Father.
Real hustler from me a youth, some running. Me nah fi win the lot, cause the money shall come. Me nah fi wait for no dead left money. Nah, anyway the hall when it rain it's sunny.
The man wait for no pass down. You understand me I say? So we are go for the money whether rain or sunny. Real hustler mentality. You understand me I say? We pass down an inheritance ago. No forget the youth now them thing the youth. You understand me I say? So work feet and go feet right now whether rain or sunny. Ambition youths.
Shall come me nah for wait pan no deadlift money nah. Anyway the hall when it rain it sunny. Me make a pledge me have to reach eternally. Back a Benz on me yard like me live a Germany. Queen pan my money but me never hurt nanny. Every day me in the sky like this are the worst planet.
Man say bag of Benz na me carry would a think a Germany. If you never know, you know, Benz a German made vehicle. You understand me I say? What me say after that? Euro in my pocket, but me never hurt nanny, even though I'm bigger currency. You understand me I say? We not hurt nanny, we not disrespect nanny, because we are yard man to the core. How what me say after that? Every day me in the sky, like this are the worst planet. No, that can be deciphered many different ways. Is he high? You understand me I say? Make him fly. Or the level of success make him high above everybody else. It's up for phone interpretation. But within the sky every day, you know that think of the worst. Let's keep it pushing.
Queen pan my money but me never hurt nanny. Every day me in the sky like this are the worst planet. Imagine 18 pan the world boss. When I me have the cocky where you make your girl vomit. Love fi make every hater say god damn it. Never see a DJ way so iconic.
I no lie. Never see a DJ way so iconic. I no lie.
Your girl vomit. Love fi make every hater say god damn it. Never see a DJ way so iconic.
You want smoke, grab a hot and cold stove. Me take a puff or two end up in the ozone. That split I coulda grow a baby kill a old folks. Sprinkle little fire vibes pan it, some don't choke.
Hold on. Remember me telling you about the energy where I meet him father with, you know. Because Kartel don't have the lyrical content and the energy and everything, the intensity, everything. And him son never lapse. Him son literally meet him halfway. You see me? Him not lapse. So when him goes to introduce himself now, it's like everything just fall into place, bro, because the energy just right from both of the artists. You understand what I say? Wanna feel it? None of them not, bro.
Iconic.
You want smoke, grab a hot and cold stove. Me take a puff or two end up in the ozone. That split I coulda grow a baby kill a old folks. Sprinkle little fire vibes pan it, some don't choke. Born in a riches, me not grow poor. Drop the Addi top and put.
Hold on. Sorry about the drop the Addi top. Born in a riches, me no grow poor. I say you broke generational curses. You understand me? I say use because Vybz Kartel couldn't sing about what him son sing about today. So I saw we have to go work youths. I saw we have to go work hard. For we youths, them can't sing, so we never grew up in poverty. Because me grew up in poverty. What about you? 1 bedroom house around a Portmore, 4 away. Slab roof. You don't know, say you know, so coming like a oven. But Kartel son them can't say. Born in a riches, we not grew up poor. Daddy, you do a damn good job. What you mean, yo? Gaza youths. Yeah, man. Me could pay attention to Gaza youths. See way so our kids them need for move. You see me?
Vibes pan it, some don't choke. Born in a riches, me no grow poor. Drop the Addi top and put it in a sport mode. Girl I call me for me knock them like a close door. Anytime I strike a goal, no me know the goal post. Harder me a go harder. And if you know say me nah stop. When me a go fi what me want. Only put my trust in the Father. Harder me a go harder. And if you know say me nah stop. When me a go fi what me want.
Hey.
It a tape, Gaza no rape. All the girls see me and she can't
All a red straight.
The younger man will go wild
And escape. I make a 60.
But me believe in a God so much. If me can't have gas, me still a rep it with faith. Born hungry, you coulda seen me rib stage. Now me out in the world, I shell every big stage. Roll up the weed, me case. Grab a stink like it leave a beard. Have a big body brown in a she me brace. Body big and it a clap and me a feel the bass. In a me one league, never feel furious.
Paper. Wanna think about the banger? Woo. Ha 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 ha. Paper. Huh. See it there? All the thunder roar out the road. People. Let me tell you something, man. I give that a solid 9.5. You understand what I say? Me not believe nothing perfect, but this is the closest thing to perfection if I would ever give you a definition. You understand what I say? And not because me's a Gaza youth, bro. First of all, the rhythm a chum, the energy right, the intensity right, the lyrical content is perfection, brother. And the man own son never even fall off. See, Jah works. Ball out the thunder, Father God. You mean? Anyway, people, we're going to dive to the next track now. You understand what I say? And this is Likkle Addi brand new track. We name Right Desso. You understand what I say? And this look like it dropped 1 hour ago. We attack it right now, people. I never see this in my life. Let's get to work. Likkle Addi, Right Desso. Let's go.
So I really just love Jamaican music. Like, they fantasize about women so much. Like, they love them a bad.
First of all, I love the visuals already.
Yeah, like,
God damn.
love the way Jamaican men talk about women in their.
I don't want to sound too lustful, you know. But yo, Likkle Addi, Likkle Vybz. Man, them can't invite me for when I shoot them. The man them can't invite me for when I shoot them. And bubble one of them blood clot girl. Look on that girl, tie gap. Look on that one, a tie gap. Bumbuckler. Anyway, focus up, you. Jesus Christ. Anyway, Likkle Addi, Right Desso. Start over.
So I really just love Jamaican music. Like, they fantasize about women so much. Like, they love them a bad guy. It's like boom, boom.
But I put several on them, girl.
I just love the way Jamaican men talk about women in their music. It's just like, yo, you really love me. You love this boom, boom.
Head up, yes, she gon' lip up, she make girl broke off the cock with confidence. Your mother say me a trouble away, auntie say we a fuck on the ground, girl, not in bed.
Yo! Me keep saying it, but I say it already, you know. Bro, once I get it, I look at you, I never have no money, I did broke still. So if you got the girl, them will give me little catches on my broke, bro. But this nigga is who I thought I was in high school, bro. No cap. Again, me I say I be at girl music fucking me at school, and I know look at joke, bro. But the money part now, you understand me? I say, boom, upon a girl, bro. Girl broke off the cock with confit.
Your mother say me a trouble away, auntie say we a fuck on the ground, girl, not in bed. Your pussy fat inna your shorts, it pop the mesh. Me give you money 'cause your pussy good on the head. Best fuck you ever get, and that she say. You like that, baby?
Man said, mom scratches so fat it bust the mesh. I forgive you money 'cause the pony good plus the head. I not lie, still one time I never used to spend money on girl, you know, but I not lie to you. You understand me? I say, you understand, look at cheese now, okay? You understand?
Pussy good on the head. Best fuck you ever get, and that she say. You like that, baby? Looking at the camera, girl. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. 1 in a million. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Look how you pretty, girl. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Give me that. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. When the young slam me down, girl, like this, pick it up, slam me down again, like this, get ready for the fuck, girl, like this, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Cocky long, not like, girl, it quite men up, send it up in on your right, this up.
Me that try pause it, you know.
Cocky long, not like, girl, it quite men up, send it up in on your right.
You know, so I'm looking at I'm looking at wicked, you know, bro. When them find the hottest set a girl and I come, bro, a wickedness, bro. Put them up my shades and I come. I can't watch this, brother. Can't watch this, bro. It's a wickedness, bro. Jesus of his mercy.
Yo, cut it this one. Looking at the camera, girl. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. 1 in a million. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Look how you pretty, girl.
Yo, when I like to you, I like that look at. Right, that's alright. You understand, like the dog and that. You understand, moms of the dog and the man as the dog. We go dog. I say, yeah, man, right, that's alright. Yeah, man, babes, right. That's have all the money now. We grab a big scoop of ear and stay. So, yeah, man, right. That's alright. That's Youths, bad.
Alright, Give me that. Quiet up. Yes, she go lip up, she neck. Girl broke off the cock with confidence. Your mother say me a trouble away auntie say. We a fuck on the young girl not the bed. Your pussy fat in and your shorts it pop the mesh. Me give you money cause your pussy good on the head. Best fuck you ever get and that she say. You like that baby? Looking at the camera gun. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. 1 in a million. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Look how you pretty girl. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Give me that. Alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. DJ
Done already? Bombat. Yo. Dog. Yo. Me not listen about Kartel. You don't know. Everybody know me feel about Kartel already, but bro, I'm telling you this right now. You see, you and your brother. I mean, no, say you review this, bro. Even for your brother, review them, bro. I talk about you, bro. But you see, 2 I want to, bro, want to continue with the same support for each other, bro. Go and collaborate with one another, bro. Go and use the father, you know what I mean? Continue transfer over the legacy while you still learn simultaneously. You see me, bro? Greatness is ahead, bro, and this is just the start of it. We can just imagine what is in store for us as real fans. Yes, fans. Likkle Addi, big up your badness, bro. That was it right there. Right, Desso. Right now on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, G's. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm. Big up on the badness. Likkle Addi, badness increase, bro. No little joke.